Hi everyone. Sometimes when we're converting our pictures to black and white, the faces can get lost. What that means is they're a little bit dark. So I'd like to show you this really quick and cool tip in Lightroom CC to help brighten the faces in your black and white photos. Okay, let's begin. So to start things off, what I'd like you to do is look at the color tone of this woman's face. It's sort of an orange red, and that's because of the city lights, okay? So let's now convert to black and white. Very simply, we are just going to go to color and we're going to go to black and white. And you see how the woman's face is now a little bit dark and it's sort of being lost in relation to the background door there. So we want to bring her face up in a little bit more brightness or luminance. So to do that, we would normally use our brush tool, but because not everyone has access to the brush tool, we are going to use something else. And it's called a color channel mixer. And at the top right, you'll see the word mix. I'll get you to tap on that. And the quick and easy way is to simply remember what was the color tone of the woman's face. It was sort of between red and orange. So as you can see, we have orange here and we have red. Let's try red first. We're going to go luminance and we're going to go up to 100 and now down. Now take a look at her face. Do you see it changing? This is really quick and easy. And interestingly enough, the sign in the background is changing as well. And that's because the sign was red and her skin tone was a bit reddish. So this is the quickest and easiest way, if you don't have the brush tool, to get a brighter face when you're dealing with black and whites. Now keep in mind, darker skinned people may be a little bit different. You may have to choose a different color channel. And actually in another video that I'll do, I'll explain the crosshairs up here, which is extremely useful. And that would be able to help you with any skin tone at all. Anyway, I like this. Her face is now a little bit more front and center, and she really does stand out as the primary subject. So let's just tap here. We're going to go to done. And here is our picture. And that's it. Really easy, really great way to make this Italian cyclist really come out to be a better primary subject.